to make whipped cream from scratch. Now, typically we would use a mixer, but another really easy way to make small quantities of whipped cream is to use one of these protein shakers. Believe it or not, it's got one of these blender balls in it, and this thing makes really quick work of a very small batch of whipped cream.
Yeah, and if you don't have one of these at home, you can also make it in a cocktail shaker. And if you have your Hawthorne strainer, you just take the spring off your Hawthorne strainer, kind of turn it into a ball, and it's essentially the same thing. So if you have the cocktail shaker, you are in business.
This one I would say is probably a little bit faster. So
absolutely.
I'm doing a small batch here again. That's 4 ounces of whipping cream.
And then how much sugar?
All right, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And actually, we could probably...
You want to just freeform this one?
Yeah, freeform it. We don't want to add too much because, again, the schnapps has sugar of its own.
Right.
And then you're going to want to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
Ooh, vanilla.
So just a tiny.
Just a splash.
Yeah,
and this is our homemade vanilla.
Which is basically vanilla beans and vodka and thyme.
So I'm just going to add a little bit.
Just the tiniest bit, yeah.
There we go. And how much schnapps do you think?
All right, so I did Google this one. I cheated a little bit, and I think I'm estimating we're gonna want about 1/2 ounce.
All right, let's try that.
Batch.
Boom,
The best part about this whipped cream recipe is that Chris is gonna make it for
and with this, it just takes time. Just give it a good shake and just keep shaking for a while. We would do this in a bar, but like I said, we would use cocktail shakers and a Hawthorne strainer. We're going to be here a while. Make yourself comfy. Is that good? All right, let's see how we did. Hey, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Done.
How quick was that?
Very cool. All right, so next, let me just grab...
Yeah, let's get a clean bar spoon for that guy.
Actually, I think in the drawer over there, we have one.
All right. Ta-da.
Perfect. Let me grab the blender ball out of there.
That is the downside of the blender ball, is that it kind of gets in the way when you try to scoop it out. But it's worth it.
This is whipped cream. No doubt about it. All right.
You want to taste it and see if there's no schnapps in it?
You go for it. Pinky. There you go.
Oh, that's good. It doesn't taste strongly as schnapps.
You want to go for more?
I don't know, what do you think? Obviously don't do this if you're serving in a restaurant.
Yeah, probably a little more actually.
I think we can go with a little tiny bit
more. So
more.
that was 1/2 ounce to another 1/2 ounce.
And if we totally kill it, then you're gonna witness it here.
Right? So we'll just add it in there again.
Here, I can hold that guy.
Perfect.
We make a lot of dishes when we film. You may have noticed.
There we go.
Great job.
Thanks. It's like I've done this like a handful of times.
A couple times.
All right.
Did it still whip up?
Did, yeah.
Oh, that looks super good. You will see shortly. All right.
It's like legit whipped cream. Look at that.
The other pinky. Oh, yeah.
That's it? All right. Great.
There's
so let's just go ahead and add some cream to this guy.
Now, if you wanted to make this super fancy, what you would do is throw this in a piping bag, and then you can actually pipe it onto the top of the cocktail. But we're not fancy, so we're gonna go old school here.
And yeah, that's pretty much it.